Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to update TikTok on Android. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store. Alright, so here is the Play Store right over here. So this is the Play Store. You need to go to the Play Store, like tap on the Play Store. And then from here on the right upper side you will see a profile icon. Alright, so this is the profile icon you need to tap on. So tap on that, and then from here you need to tap on manage apps. So you need to go to the manage apps, and then from here, as you can see, updates available, you need to tap on the see details option. Alright, then if you just scroll it down, and as you can see TikTok, and it has update. So if you have your TikTok not up to date, then you will see an update option right behind right side of the TikTok like this. All right, and then the another way to find out the if you have the update for TikTok is to go to the search bar on the right bottom and search for the TikTok on the search bar. So search for the TikTok like this, and then here you go, here is the TikTok. You need to go to the TikTok, and as you can see we got an update button. So tap on the update button, and then it will start updating your TikTok. So that's how you can simply update TikTok on Android.